morning. Sit down, please. Thank you. Welcome to Binarsada Hospital. I'm Nurse Baby. I'm nurse on duty today. How may I assist you? Yes, sure. I just want you standing up on the scale because I want to measure your weight. Please stand up on the scale. Yes, nurse. Your weight 52 kilograms. I lost weight because of illness. I would like to measure your height. Yes, nurse. Your height is 162. What is your first name? Daisy. How do you spell it?
Yes, of course. My first name is Daisy. Delta Echo 7 Kilo.
What is your last name? How do you spell it?
Yes, of course. My last name is Prativi. Papa Romeo Alpha Tango India Whiskey India.
Where do you live?
I live in Lepis Street, Gianyar City.
Are you on the phone right now? What is your phone number?
Yes, my phone number is 0813246566782.
Please tell me your date of birth.
I was born on December 19, 2005.
Are you married or single?
I am single.
What is your occupation?
I am a college student.
May I know your religion?
I am Hindu.
Who is your nearest relative or next of kin?
My mother.
What is her name and address?
Her name is Dea and she lives at the same address as me.
So you both live at the same house?
Yes, we do.
Who is your family doctor?
My family doctor is Dr. Bayu Widyarsa.
What is his address?
His clinic is on Batu Bulan Street, Gianyar City.
Who referred you to the specialist?
Dr. Bayu referred me.
Who can I contact in case of an emergency?
You can contact my mother.
May I have her phone number, please?
Yes, 08123512526.
Do you know the doctor in charge of your case?
Yes, Dr. Rani is handling my case.
What is your complaint?
I have dizziness, nausea.
When did the complaint start?
It started yesterday
How long has it lasted?
until now.
Have you been diagnosed before?
Yes, the doctor said it might be gastritis.
Thank you for your cooperation. Please take a seat in the waiting room and wait until the doctor calls your name. If you feel worse, please call the nurse.
Okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome. I hope you feel better soon.